Hello, my name is Stephanie Class, and this is speech number 4 titled, Let's Go Green Together. Go green. The idea of going green is everywhere nowadays. It's in the papers, in the news, and even in present-day fashion. The concept of going green is simply that as a nation and as citizens worldwide, it's time to make a change. The time has come to start participating in ways to protect our environment. Damage has already been done to our environment, but we can still help prevent things from getting worse. There are many reasons for recycling. Not only can it help protect our environment and the homes and communities in which we live, it quite possibly could stop or slow the process of global warming. The top 10 reasons to recycle created by the National Recycling Coalition listed as the #1 reason to recycle as it's good for the economy. Here in the United States, companies rely on recycling programs to provide the raw materials they need to make new products. Source: top 10 reasons to recycle. A close #2 rang in as recycling creates jobs. In a time where our economy is struggling, do you not think that we should take advantage of every opportunity for work that knocks upon our door? Recycling in the U.S. is a $236 billion a year industry. More than 56,000 recycling and reuse enterprises employ 1.1 million workers nationwide. Source: top 10 reasons to recycle. In a study done in California, it was estimated that if the state met its 50% recycling goal, it would add $2 billion to California's economy. Along with this startling statistic, if the recycling goal is met, it will create over 45,000 new jobs. Source: jobs in the economy. Here in the United States, a new age idea has arisen. With the Go Green idea spreading like wildfire, an organization known as Green Communities has established the idea of cleaning our communities up. They claim that this idea will lead to healthier homes and communities, lower energy and water costs, and protect our environment. Building with a green design will allow homes to be healthier by providing better air quality and healthier building materials. When using a green design to build homes and communities, we will help not only ourselves, but the environment as well. Buildings account for 38% of annual carbon dioxide emissions, 30% of both raw waste materials and landfill waste, and 12% of portable water consumption. Source: benefits of going green. Using green building designs will also assist in preventing the rapid occurrence of global warming. If we can eliminate the 38% annual carbon dioxide emissions that buildings produce, then we can move forward with our efforts in stopping global warming. Source: benefits of going green. Global warming refers to an overabundant amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This large amount of carbon dioxide traps heat and acts as a warming blanket over the earth. Source: what exactly is global warming? There are many other ways in which we can help stop global warming. According to a Help Stop Global Warming site, there are 10 easy ways to use recycling as a method of preventing the further growth of global warming. Recycle aluminum. It is said that recycling one aluminum can save enough energy to run a TV for 3 hours. Recycle steel tin cans. Recycling 1 pound of steel will allow a 60-watt light bulb run 1 whole day. In 1 year in the United States, recycling steel will save enough energy to heat and light 18 million homes. Recycle paper. For every ton of recycled paper, 17 trees, 380 gallons of oil, 4,000 kilowatts of energy, and 700 gallons of water are saved. Recycle plastic. Recycle glass, because it causes 20% less air pollution and 50% less water pollution. Recycle used motor oil and use recycled paper. Reuse your shopping bags or use a reusable cloth, hemp, or mesh shopping bag. Finally, attempt to buy products with the least amount of packaging. Source: how recycling can help stop global warming. As a society, if we pull together and begin recycling, we can help stop global warming. As mentioned previously, the National Recycling Coalition created a list of the top 10 reasons to recycle. Here's a look at the entire list. Let's go green together. The top 10 reasons to recycle. Number 1, it's good for the economy. American companies rely on recycling programs to produce the raw materials that they need to make new products. Number 2, it creates jobs. Over 1.1 million jobs are created by the recycling industry. 3, reduces waste. An average American household accumulates and discards 7.5 pounds of waste each day. Then this waste is sent to a landfill where it is compacted and buried. 4, it's good for the environment. Recycling uses less energy and fewer natural resources. It also prevents from landfills piling up. 5, saves energy. If we manufacture with recycled aluminum cans, it will use 95% less energy. Preserves landfill space. Number 6. It keeps landfills to a minimum because who wants to live next to a landfill? 7. Prevents global warming. In the year 2000, the recycling of solid waste materials prevented 32.9 million metric tons of carbon from being emitted into the air. 8. Reduces water pollution. Less pollution in the water is created by recycling materials. 9. Protects wildlife. If we use recycled materials, we will eliminate the need for damaging forests, wetlands, and other wildlife habitats. Lastly, it creates new demand. If we recycle, we will in turn create a demand for recycled goods, in turn decreasing waste and helping our environment. Source: the top 10 reasons to recycle. In conclusion, recycling will save the world we live in. Our world today may not be in jeopardy, but for generations to follow it will be. So let's help our grandkids and theirs and recycle. The time is now, so get recycling and go green.